Shandong Xiaokang Machinery Company Limited, Taiwan's sole proprietorship, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the R&D, production, sale and service of vacuum packaging machine. We are located in Zhucheng City, occupies 90,000 square meters. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our 240 experienced staff members, including engineers and technical personnel, 68 people, are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including thermoforming vacuum packaging machine, automatic pouch filling packaging machine, double or single chamber vacuum packaging machine, tray sealer vacuum packaging machine, vacuum skin packaging machine, gas flushing vacuum packaging machine. We are the drafting committee of National Standard of Vacuum Packaging Machine, gained national patents. In addition, we have obtained CE certificate and ISO 9001 certificate. Xiaokang was chosen to be China's famous brand. We were awarded the first prize in vacuum packaging machine industry by Chinese Meat Association. Our products selling well in all cities and provinces around China and occupy 60% domestic markets. Also exported to 40 countries and regions as America, Europe, Asia, Middle East and Africa. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, welcome to contact us.